Hello guys,
I gotta do
I have
this.
just opened my 2 HP pump and this is the jet. So uh, we are going to clean. We have already cleaned that, but we'll just show you so how to open. So this is the yeah. You have to take out this. This is how it is fit and this is how it was fitted and we have already taken it out and it goes under the pipe and uh, this is how you're going to take it out. You're going to unscrew this and there will be a lot of dirt inside and there is a small hole, so once if the hole is blocked, obviously the pump will not be able to draw fetch water. So we are cleaning this one and this is the bottom part. What happened is here, this is the filter, so we have taken out the filter and basically there used to be a one string spring. So this is another one spring is there. So this is the spring and the spring is already broken, so we are going to replace that spring. It originally it has to be like this. The spring, one spring has to be like this, so we're going to replace that one. So so in order to replace this one, we need to take out the screw, but before we do that, we just have to unscrew the bottom part and we have to clean, because if there are a lot of dirt inside, dirt or mud or anything, then obviously it will hold the pump from fetching up the water. So already we have unscrewed everything, so there are times that this gets stuck and it's difficult to take it out. So this is how you clean it with the toothbrush, if you have a toothbrush or if you have something, anything. So this is 2 HP pump, and we're going to clean this and we will fix it. So once we finish cleaning, we will show you how it is done, how to fix it. All right.